Jonas and Adlan, feel free to talk about the tool and the machines in this video. The stage is yours.
Thank you. Jonas, you start.
Yeah, you see the first application, which is the isotron application. Here you can see a chip former, which is actually developed only for the medical industry. For example, the copper chrome machining, and also high alloyed stainless steels.
Yeah, we can see here now the superimpose turning with two tools together. So at the moment only one, but in the same position we are using the same feed rate on both gang tool posts, but we will have a good example when using the second Z-axis of the gang tool number 2 to machine with two different feed rates. So we are seeing the same position. You can see that in the left side the gang tool number 2 has also drilling process or inside turning process for the back side. Also now this is the B-axis for cross machining or cross milling. We can also use the B-axis for the back machining.
On the back side you see also the Pico Ace in action. You see the threading operation now.
So we have on the back side possibility to integrate rotary tools or fixed tooling for turning and milling thanks to the Y-axis on the back side. Yeah. Maybe in this stage also important to mention that we are working now the machine as a Swiss type with a guide bush. We can see the material is sliding. We can also modify the D25 to a fixed head. It means we will take the guide bush out and work with the main spindle directly in the work area. The benefits basically two: we can reduce the remnant part. It means this is also money. If you are producing from expensive material, you can reduce the rest of the bar to the minimum. And the next benefit is you can use material with less quality, with H11 for example. Okay, this is now cross machining from the gang tool post number 2. So now the B-axis for the finishing, right? I think this is the tool for the finishing now.
The ball nose, ball nose tool, ball nose milling tool. And after that we should see the engraving. Oh no, it's the simultaneous
turning with two different cutting condition, let's say. Yeah. Now, okay. Now this is the benefit of the Z-axis. We can also use it by milling in different positions. We can use it now as turning with different feed rates. We have really 60 millimeter on the second gang tool post, and this makes the machine very, very flexible.
Here you can see also a multi-master milling system. Multi-master is a modular system that allows you to clamp only one shaft or one shaft and put on the head different milling tools or drilling tools or engraving tools.
In general, about D25, we have two types of D25, type 7 and 8. What we have now is type 8 with the servo controlled B-axis. And this is only different to type 7. Type 7, we will have cross rotary tools on the gang tool post 1 instead of the B-axis. Yeah, but type 8 is a high-end category in the D25 sector. And also maybe interesting to know that we have also a kit to increase the bar capacity to 32 millimeter. We can exchange the chuck sleeve and nut on the main spindle, back spindle, and the guide bush from 25 to 32.
Here you can see also the engraving operation with the multi-master tool. And after that, the parting off application with a special design tool for the Swiss-type machining that allows you to unclamp and clamp the insert without changing the complete tool.